Hello and welcome everyone. So I am back with another painting for you all. So we're going to start by taking a wet paintbrush and just brush your canvas with it just to ensure that we have a wet base so that our paint can blend easily on it. So guys, now for the background, take a dark purple, a light blue and dark blue and white and use a makeup brush and just blend it in a circular motion. Okay, now I'm making a mint color. As I told you before how to make it, just take a little bit of green, a little bit of blue and a puddle of white and you will get a mint color. Apply it in the center and over here I'm just darkening the purple a little bit and we'll blend it later with the mint. Oh, just a reminder, are you subscribed? If not, what are you waiting for? So, now just blend the mint with the blue and the purple. Now for the river, just take a lighter blue and just make a line where you want the river to be, and this is a time where you could go back in the background and just do some tiny details or fix some things like I'm doing over here, and then we could make the river. Now for the river, take the same light blue and a lot of white and just use the purple and just add a little bit of mint in there and just start blending it like I'm showing it over here. Now take some dark green, light purple, mint, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, white and red. And you will also need some bunches of Q-tips and start making a tree with the light purple. But when I applied the purple on the canvas, I wasn't sure if I liked it or not because it was a bit too light. So I switched to a darker purple and that made it much better. Guys, don't do this thing that I'm doing over here. This doesn't look good, and I also ended up removing it at the end because it was not looking good. So guys, over here I'm just using some dark paint with the same Q-tip technique and just make a bush sort of thing that's hanging from the top of the tree, And yeah, just make it. It will look beautiful and it will add color to your painting. So yeah, this bush is not only made up of dark green, it's made up of light green as well. So go ahead, add some shading, add different shades of green, some yellow, go in with your hands as I'm doing over here, give it texture, and it will look beautiful. Trust me. Guys, now I'm just using some light green color to make a huge flower, and it's your choice. Just go with any shade of green you want, dark green, light green, and just do shadings in there, make it look a bit realistic, and yeah, all that stuff. Over here right now I'm using this really tiny brush, but after that I ended up switching to a large brush. And if you notice in the tree as well, I added a little bit of green as well, just to give it a bit of color and make it pop. And yeah, just add a bush in the corner because it will make your painting look a bit full and beautiful, and it will add a color to it, because why not. now let's make a bridge. I'm using this sea green color and it's really easy to make. Just take a lot of white and add blue and light green and just make this bridge over here. So now just make some stems. I don't know what to call it. I don't know if it's stem or not, but whatever. Make some stem with some brown color and add some shading to your bridge because it will make it look realistic, and just use different shades of blues and greens and white as well to add some highlights to it. And also I used some brown and white to make some wood in the bridge so that people can walk over there, because why not? So now just make some reflections in the water of the bush and try to make the reflection as close to the bush as possible, and try to make it just like the bush so that it looks like that the bush is reflecting into the water, and this will give our water a realistic look. And also add some white highlights and some darker blue and purple highlights there as well. And I also used some brown and white color where the river meets the bush so that it could look like that the bush is on the land. And also add some bushes behind the bridge as well. So are you ready to see the end result? Here it is, our bridge in the forest painting. And I also added a layer of varnish over there as well, and it just ensures that it keeps the paint from cracking and it makes the paint long lasting. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.